In a world full of stress and imbalance, your body deserves the purest care from nature itself. Introducing Oyri Ashwagandha, the ancient herb of vitality. It helps you relax, rebalance, restore your calm, and awaken your energy naturally. Next, Oyri Sea Buckthorn, nature's powerhouse of antioxidants. It nourishes your skin, strengthens your immunity, and brings back your inner glow. And from the heart of the Himalayas comes Oyri Shilajit Gold. Harness the power of pure Himalayan minerals. Choose Oyri, original, youthful, pure, innovative. Reclaim your vitality naturally with Oyri.